Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. By the description you already know this is a twist out tutorial, but not only is it a twist out tutorial, it's also a wearable twist out tutorial, if that makes sense. So basically I'm gonna do some twists that I could also wear out, because we all know that if you take your twist out too early, you will be highly upset. So I thought it would be a good idea just to make a tutorial on how I wear them, although that's kind of already on my channel, but I hate that video, so I thought I'd redo it and just do a twist out because I never do it because I hate them. But okay, let's get into it. So I'm going in with the Cantu like lock and curl gel, something like that, I don't know. And then I'm going with a little bit of eco just to hold the twist in place and set it. I'm twisting all the way to the ends, and when I get to the end I am kind of like finger coiling it to make sure that my ends are curly. It's really important to do that. So just with the front of my hair, I'm only putting in rubber bands because I just want that to look really neat and clean, just in case I have to go out. I want it to be cute and cleaned up because that's how I like it. So I'm just rubber banding those. I'm doing square parts because triangles, me trying to perfect triangles is a hell of a job. So I'm just gonna do squares today. Oh, also going in, my Detangling Brush is a part of everything I do. Like, I just feel like it keeps my curls super defined, and it makes it a lot easier to twist the hair. I barely have to twist it, honestly. Like, it just kind of loop around itself. So I strongly recommend everybody get a Detangling Brush, like, no matter what your curl pattern, because it's a good detangler too. Alright, so the state of my hair is it's not clean. Well, I mean, it's clean, but like not freshly washed hair, because it hasn't been a week since I did my last wash and go. So I just washed out the product that I did have on there because I tried a new product and it made my hair white and crappy. So yeah. So right here, I'm braiding my roots. I feel like braiding my roots really helps me when it comes time to take the twist out and separate. I don't do well with the whole separate your hair in the way that it naturally separates. That doesn't really work for me. So braiding it helps me and ensures that I don't fuck up the twist out pattern. It looks really great. 10 out of 10, I would highly recommend. So yeah, for the rest of my head, I'm not putting the rubber bands on. I just want the front to be neat. I don't really give a crap. So I'm just braiding my roots to try to keep some, like, to keep my parts clean, I guess. Alright, so for the final component of this look, I am going in and I am just flicking my baby hairs. It looks like this was all of nothing, but I almost made my scalp bleed. Like, The amount of baby hairs I have is very unfair. And I don't know why God was like skipping out on me with the baby hairs, but like, we need to talk, sir. Alright, so now I'm just kind of giving y'all a baby like tutorial of like a little, it's kind of the same as like my last video. It's just very simple, like summer makeup, no foundation, just kind of eyeliner, eyebrows, lashes type of thing. Nothing crazy, you know. I shouldn't be holding my eye down, but my eyelids are very round and it's hard. So I'm just gonna clean it up with some concealer and pop some lashes on. So here I am kind of setting my lip liner on fire, and it is a really great tip and it applies very smooth and I love it. 10 out of 10, would highly recommend as well. Very cute. I'm listing all products below. And oh, is that a baddie? I think it is. I think it is. How cute. How cute. Very cute summer look. I'm trying to take y'all from 12 to 15, okay? All right, so it's the next day and it's time to take these bad boys down. So I'm gonna start off by rubbing so much coconut oil all over my hands, because if I don't, my ends and hair will frizz, and I want to coat my hair and ends in the coconut oil to prevent as much frizz as possible. I really like this method. I think it's the best thing I have ever came up with, and if you haven't tried it, you should definitely try it. Especially, I know a lot of people don't use coconut oil anymore, so if you still have that jar sitting around, you can definitely use it just to take down your twist out, braid outs, whatever, and you are saving money on something that you probably were going to leave just sitting there. So I'm just going back in with the coconut oil over all of the twists in the front, making sure they're coated in coconut oil so that it comes out nicely. And I think it's very important to oil these down as best as you can. Not over saturate them, but oil them down as best as you can, because it is the front of your head, which is the most important part of the hairstyle. So be really careful as to how you take these down. Don't go too fast, just take it really slow. Use extra coconut oil as I'm doing here if need be. And they're just coming out really well, honestly. Like, I wasn't expecting this. I don't know what I was expecting. I don't do twist outs. So I'm just gonna go in and fluff it out a little bit with my pick. I need to invest in a real one because this one isn't doing everything I needed to do. But for now, it's doing the job. I think it looks pretty decent. So I'm just gonna go in and of course flick my edges. I understand that I overdid it here. I don't know what was going on, but I wasn't having a good edge day. I don't know, whatever I look like, I'm forcing it, and I am. I definitely am. But we're just gonna pretend like this didn't happen. So a little more fluff, and voila, we have this beautiful definition, this curly fro. Add in a little hair jewelry and you look great. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell if you like this video. Even if you didn't, thank you for watching.